get no rest. No, no, I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no.
So I've just brought you back here, and this is now about 12 days, 13 days. And we're at the stage now where germination's just happened in the last week or so. Well, the last few days even. But I'm happy because we've got green right across the board. And even the bare spots that we killed off, it's starting to come through just absolutely fine. So the question's now going to be what it's going to be like in a couple of weeks' time. He did tell me that after I left, it absolutely chucked it down, really heavy rain and bouncing off. So I expect there will be a couple of spots where the seeds have moved a little bit. But I think the vast majority of it's stayed in place and it's looking pretty good. He did mention that round the other side, it hasn't come through as fast yet as these. But I tell you, I'm happy. This is a good point to be at for 2 weeks. Not even 2 weeks, to be fair. But they are coming through. They are definitely coming through. I can see seeds in all of those. Even here, there's little seeds coming through. So that's all good. Yeah, that's good. It's nice and it's even. Watch this space. I'll bring you back for another update.
You better pray.